Hello, dear children. I am Kamna. Today I am here with the topic History of Computers. We agree that computers are touching every aspects of our lives, making our lives easier and comfortable. You can see the use of these machines all around the world. We really rely on computers for most of our daily work. You can well understand its utility as you are getting your study material nowadays through your smart device. Now let's come to the contents of our chapter, History of Computers, and your favorite Lappy will take you to the journey of computers. Computers we are using today has its own history to come to its present form. It means these have to come through a long journey of joint efforts and ideas of many people from all over the world. In just 7 decades of its existence, it has become necessity for each human. It will not be wrong to say that several has got addicted to it. In the journey of computers, let's begin with early computing and calculating ways. Let's go to ancient times when people used to live in caves. You can say that man was in the seed stage, just as a flower starts its life cycle with a seed followed by germination and growth to bloom. Early men were in need of a way to make a count of their animals. Counting was done with stones, pebbles, bones, sticks, fingers, etc. Yes, stones, fingers were the counting device. And the information was stored by making marks or symbols on walls, pillars, or rocks. Seems strange? But yes, it was possible, as you can play your sandpaper and scissors with your fingers easily. But it was difficult to do bigger calculations. And this complexity forced human beings to think about a device which could make their tasks easier. Abacus. First calculating device invented about 5000 years ago by Chinese. It could do simple calculations like addition and subtractions, still in use in different parts of world. Some of you might have attended abacus classes in summer vacations. Really, one can calculate very fast with this device. Now Napier bones. It is a simple calculation device which can be used for multiplication. It was developed by John Napier. It is also quite similar to the method of multiplication taught at school. On observing closely, one finds that each of the Napier's bones is simply the multiplication table for a particular number. The digits in the units place and the tens place are written separately. So while using Napier's bones, one need not make the effort of recalling multiplication tables according to digits. Carrying over the digits in the tens place are managed by the diagonal arrangement. In your mathematics book, you must have seen the picture of set of roads, and it is really an interesting activity based learning. Pascaline and step reckoner are two other calculating devices. Pascaline was invented by Blaise Pascal. Step reckoner, known as Leibniz calculator, was developed by Gottfried von Leibniz. Now let's take a break to break the monotony of calculating devices. Do you recognize this person? You need a hint. Okay. Father of computer. Surely all of you now well judge that he is Charles Babbage, father of computers. But why in between we are talking about him? Because the next calculating machine, analytical machine, is made by him. The 5 key features of analytical engine: input, storage, output, memory, and control unit are used in today's modern computers. That's why he is known as father of computers. He also invented difference engine, which could perform the mathematical calculations automatically, but stopped working on this device as he got better idea to produce a machine with 5 key features which make him a man of computer. One more calculating machine, tabulating machine, which was used in USA census and gave a quick count of the USA population. Herman Hollerith, an army engineer, invented a tabulating machine and his company became famous as IBM. International Business Machine. IBM is a global technology company that provides hardware, software, and cloud-based services. This company is dedicated in creating innovations that matter for the world. Now came the era of electronic computers. Mark I. Mark I is said to be the first computer in real sense. It is the first electromechanical computer built by Howard Aiken. The features were 51 feet long, weighted 5 tons, used typewriter for input and punched cards for output. Punched card is a piece of stiff paper which contains digital data in the form of presence or absence of holes. ENIAC, the first electronic digital computer. ENIAC and UNIVAC were as big as of a room size. UNIVAC has almost the same features of ENIAC but could handle both numeric and textual information. Now came the long-awaited personal computers. In 1984, IBM company introduced a personal computer with the favorable features, that is smaller size, speedy, accuracy, reliability. The IBM PC was widely copied and led to the creation of vast ecosystem of software, peripherals and other commodities for use with the platform which everybody can work with ease and in an innovative manner. Laptop, tablets, smartphone are the examples of personal computers. And today we have become e-learners as technology at its rapid pace is taking us on the roads of e-learning. Now, see these pictures and recognize the inventors and the machines invented by them. Napier bones, invented by John Napier. Pascaline, invented by Blaise Pascal. Analytical engine, by father of computers Charles Babbage. Step reckoner by Gottfried von Leibniz. Now another activity. You have to write the full forms. Now a home assignment. Write the 5 key features used in analytical engine. Hope you enjoyed this presentation. Thanks and keep learning.